Okay, guys. So a member of the family here has forwarded me some really he's been keeping up with getting me the docs coming from the courthouse. So here is document one. This is the notice of filing. Okay, for Randall Bean, and this is his pro per wishing to represent himself. And here they have they have not denied his. Okay, so there's that. They have filed his paperwork. There's more to it. I'm gonna leave the links though, so you guys can take a look. Also here, all right. This is Heather's document. Okay, and this was the Eastern District Court, Eastern District of Tennessee. And this matter comes before the court on the purported notice of appearance filing, Doc 17, made by Lisa Shannon, ostensibly on the behalf of defendant Heather Ann Tucci-Jarraf. The filing itself purports to record the notice of appearance of Heather Ann Tucci-Jarraf as self, pro per, in the above titled case, and they struck this. Okay, as you guys remember, they struck this. Uh, Filing because it has no basis in fact or law. First, the filing does not identify Lisa Shannon or explain her relationship to defendant Tucci-Jarraf. Miss Shannon does not indicate or even hint that she is an attorney for defendant Tucci-Jarraf. Moreover, there is no such thing as a notice of appearance filed by one individual on behalf of another. Clearly, attorneys can file their notice of appearance in a case, but that is not what Ms. Shannon has filed here. Here, the court simply has someone identified only by name, Lisa Shannon, purporting to file a document, a notice of appearance on behalf of the named defendant. Furthermore, while Ms. Shannon says she has the permission of defendant Tucci-Jarraf, there is no verification, and only Ms. Shannon has signed the document, not the defendant. Huh, I wonder why. Because she can't, because she's in jail. I swear, man, these courts are so messed up. The court is not ruling or even suggesting that defendant Tucci-Jarraf cannot represent herself in this case, pro per. However, if the defendant Tucci-Jarraf chooses to represent herself, it cannot be by virtue of a filing by an unknown third person, but only by defendant Tucci-Jarraf personally appearing before the court, asking to represent herself and knowingly and voluntarily waiving her right to be represented by an attorney. In this regard, the court must determine that defendant Tucci-Jarraf is aware of the risks and dangers of self-representation and is competently and intelligently choosing to represent herself. Therefore, the court orders that the purported notice of appearance filing stricken. And I'll tell you guys, I have a really strong feeling as to why they're denying Heather's but allowing Randy's. So when I talk to Randy tomorrow, which I believe he'll be calling me tomorrow, I'm assuming, and again, I don't know this for certain yet. I'm going to ask Randy if he ended up signing anything. Oh, I think he did actually. Now that I think about it, he did. I'm going to have to go and dig through for more of his casework. If anybody comes across any of his other court documents, please forward them to me. But they already have him um, giving, putting himself in the system, whereas Heather has refused to put herself in the system. So what they're trying to do is get her to sign a document. That's what this is all about. So it was okay for Randy to have his family file this, And again, I don't know all the details yet, so I cannot go on like I sit here and say that I'm 100% correct on this. I'm just making my personal um, uh, speculation in this. I have to verify it, and believe me, I will. Once I verify it, I will give it to you as absolute fact. What I find to be fact, as you guys know, I am very big on differentiating between speculation and fact. So this is just my speculation at this point that they allowed his to go through, even though he didn't sign it. I don't believe. Yeah. Whereas they're not allowing Heather's to go through because Heather has not put herself in the system. She will not give them her signature. She will not give them anything. So they're trying to trap her and say, well, if you want to represent yourself, then yeah, you're gonna have to sign this so we get your signature. That's what this is all about. I think that's what I personally take it as. I could be wrong, but that's what I take it as. And if I am correct, if anybody out there is like, a legal whiz and I am correct, please let me know. Oh, look, his name is spelled differently again. Okay, nice. Um, so let's see. Here's the sealed arrest warrant for Randall Bean. Okay. Randall Bean, any authorized law enforcement officer you are commanded to arrest and bring before a United States magistrate judge without unnecessary delay. Randall Keith Bean, who is accused of an offense or violation based on the following document filed with the court. Indictment. The defendant did knowingly transmit and cause to be transmitted by means of wire communication in interstate commerce, signals and sounds, including funds he did not own via wire, all in violation of Title 18 United States Code Section 1343. Devised a scheme to defraud financial institutions and to obtain money, funds, credits, assets, securities, and other property owned by and under the custody and control of financial institutions by the means of false and fraudulent pretenses, representations, and promises in order to obtain money and property fraudulently in violation of Title 18 the United States Code, Section 1344, did unlawfully and knowingly combine, conspire, confederate, and agree with each other and with other persons known and unknown to commit money laundering. So yeah. Yeah. So this is for Randall Bean, which, I'm pretty damn sure. Okay. This is saying it was received on 7/20/2017. I believe, wasn't that before yeah, or no, that was way after he was arrested. So they didn't even have this ready then. And then here it was July 31st, 2017. I'm not positive. I don't have to check the dates, but I think that's after. So that actually, if that is the case, and that was way after Randy was even arrested, then this is just further proving his story that he's been giving everybody. It's further proving what he's been explaining to everyone. And then filed on July 31st. This warrant was received on 7/27. Looks like they changed the number there. 2017, and the person was arrested on 7/27/2017 at Knox County Jail. Okay, so yeah, they already. This is just making it even more. It shows even more the bullshit that's going on here. Huh. So Wow. All right, guys. So I'm gonna shit. I gotta try to figure out how I can get this to you guys. I did put it in the Dropbox. So it is in the Dropbox. For some reason, the Dropbox though is not letting me generate a code for it. Shoot, where is it? Team folders. Right here. Normally it lets you generate a code though. For some reason it's not letting me. I don't know why. It's really kind of weird. Am I like not signed in or something? Let me make sure if that actually will bring it there. All right, so it's on the Dropbox. So I'm gonna put that link in the description box. Um, if you guys like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, do so now. Most importantly, share this information, get it out. And much love to you guys. God bless. Leave your thoughts in the comments section below. All right, guys.